Hey there, fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of wood turning. So grab your chisels and let's get spinning. Wood turning is a unique and fascinating woodworking technique that involves shaping wood on a lathe. A lathe is a machine that rotates a piece of wood while you use various cutting tools to shape it. This allows you to create stunning and symmetrical designs that are sure to impress. The process of wood turning begins with selecting a suitable piece of wood, often referred to as a blank or a workpiece. The blank is mounted on the lathe and secured in place using a drive center and a tailstock center. As the lathe spins the wood turner uses sharp chisels, gouges, scrapers, and other cutting tools to carefully remove material and shape the wood. Wood turning can be used to create a wide variety of turned objects, such as bowls, vases, pens, spindle-shaped items like table legs or chair parts, and even decorative art pieces. The design possibilities are endless, and wood turning offers the flexibility to experiment with different shapes, textures, and finishes. Wood turners often pay attention to grain orientation, balance, and proportion to create visually appealing and functional pieces. The art of wood turning requires skill, precision, and an understanding of wood characteristics and cutting techniques to achieve desired results. Overall, wood turning is a captivating and versatile woodworking technique that allows craftsmen to transform a simple piece of wood into beautiful and unique turned objects. Thank you for joining us today on this wood turning adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking inspiration. Happy turning!